What's up, guys? It's TechFire here today, and I'm going to be answering one of the most asked questions on my TikTok page. How do I get this date and time on my desktop? I use a free program called Rainmeter, and it helps you customize your desktop with user-created skins, and it looks pretty cool, to be honest. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to your search browser. I'm going to have the link to this site in the description down below. It's rainmeter.net. Alright, so once you're on here, you're just gonna go to the button and click download. You're gonna wait for the X to install, and you're gonna click it. Okay, once you have that, this will pop up, and you're gonna want to choose your language and then click OK. And next, you're gonna want to do standard installation and click next. And you're gonna make sure it's 64-bit version, and if you want it to launch on startup, make sure that's checked, and then click install, and then you click finish. There's going to be a bunch of pop-ups from the pre-installed skin on Rainmeter. You're going to want to go down in this corner and click this little raindrop. That's for Rainmeter. You're going to go to that, click on the arrow, and then we're just going to get rid of all these so we can install a better skin. You're going to want to click on clock, the drop down, and you want to click unload. And you're just going to do this for all of these that are on here. Click unload. You want to go down to the welcome. Click unload. You want to go to system and click unload. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to get the same skin I had. It's called Mond. We're going to go back to our browser. Okay, so I have there's more skins than just Mond. And these are a few of the websites I'll leave in the description. This is the one you're going to want to go to. Visualskins.com up here. Okay, what you want to do, it's right here. It's going to be on the front page. You're going to want to click on Mond. And you're going to want to scroll down. Don't click on any of these ads. You're going to want to scroll down and to right here where it says download Mond. You want to click that. You're going to wait for it to install. And you're just going to click on it. Make sure these are check marked, and make sure that's check marked, and then just click install. And you're going to want to click either 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock, and one of these, and close settings. And there are going to be a bunch of these pop-ups, recycling bin and all that. You're going to want to go back down here to show hidden icons and click Rainmeter. You're going to click on Mond. And whatever ones you want to keep, like I don't like keeping the player, so I'm going to unload that. And I'm also going to unload the recycling bin. And you can move this around all you want. And if you don't want to move it, you can go to the clock and you can position it on the desktop, bottom, so you can't move it. You can click it draggable if you do that. It'll make it so you can't drag it. You can make it transparent if you would like. I like it showing. Yeah. So all you gotta do is position that wherever you want it and have it looking clean. Alright, have a good one, guys.